Good afternoon. My name is Raul Romero, and today I'm going to show you around my website that I did for class. Um, my website is for people who want to learn CPR and first aid. Um, my target audience, of course, is medical personnel, but also people who are interested in learning this kind of stuff. You would be surprised as to how many people enjoy learning these things, and I think it's a good thing. So, to begin with, this is my homepage. In my homepage, as you can see, I've got a couple of pictures. This picture, I actually did it I took it myself at work. I work at a school as a medical assistant, helping the nurse at an elementary school. So these are original pictures. And here is just a little bit of a introduction to my business. A little bit of a pep talk here, and you will see this throughout my website that I write things so people can get interested. They can so they can read it and feel good about themselves. On this part of it, I tell them about our courses, and of course, as we go on my website, there'll be more information regarding the courses. Again, these are original pictures that I took at work. Okay, so then you can follow us on Twitter and on Facebook, and here's my email as well for the business. On our second page is the About page. This page tells people what we are about. Again, more pictures from that I took at work. It was fun working with the camera, trying to figure out what kind of pictures I wanted to put on my website. Here again, I do a pep talk, and when you go to my website, you can read all this and you can see how what I did with it. As we go down, it talks about us, a little bit of knowledge is power. This talks about what we want people to learn and things like that. We tell them the word to make it 100% for success. This is a picture of me teaching first aid at the school that I work at. And on the next page, I wanted to keep it simple and to the point. I didn't want to put too much things in it. I didn't want to make it too busy because I don't like busy websites. Okay. The third page, it talks about our courses and programs. As you can see, again, a little pep talk like I always do. And then here we explain what our CPR training is. And again, one of the pictures that I took. And it talks about the course and things like that. On this second one, it talks about the first aid certification. And of course, we only have 2 courses at the time because we only teach first aid and CPR. All right. Moving along, we're going to talk about our team. And of course, as of now, the team is me. This picture is of me when I was a medic in the Air Force. This was actually a deployment to Afghanistan. I try to use a better picture. For some reason, it just looks bad on here. This is one thing I would change. I would change it to a better picture of me. But on the phone side, it actually looks better. Okay, so this talks about who I am. I'm the lead instructor, my experience, and just talks a little bit about me. All right. On the third one, it talks about how to contact us. So this one I wanted to make it simple as well. I put a little pep talk on here, and then you can put your name, email, subject, phone, address, messages. You can send it, and then we can contact you and find out what you're interested in, either first aid or CPR. And last page is our book online page. You can actually book our classes online. As you can see, you can click on the picture and it will tell you more about the course. Okay. And then same thing on this one. Again, like I said, those pictures are all original. I kind of changed the prices from what the website had given me, which is I try to make them real. So it's about $30 for a CPR class and about $25 for a first aid class. Again, and then at the end here we have my email. Anyway, this is my website. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you very much for watching.